G'day guys, welcome back to another episode of the Hilux build, part 2. I'm an absolute mess. I'm balls deep in this Hilux. I've got no idea what I'm doing, but I've got the head off. I see the problem with it. Yeah, we'll rewind, we'll go back and we'll roll on these clips now. And we've got her in the shed today. We actually towed it up from where it was sitting down at the roundabout, parked it out the front, and I put a new battery in it and drove it in, which is probably not real good for the inside of the engine with a hole in the piston, but anyway, we'll pull her apart and we'll crack into it and figure out which piston, how much damage it's done to the block, if it's done any damage to the head. And I mean, it still runs, you can tell it's got a hole in the piston because she's rattling, like, we're not rattling, the motor's just boom, 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 boom. So yeah, we'll get into her, eh?
Yeah.
What do you reckon? Yeah. Righto, we'll find some tools and get into her. So we've got the intercooler off. We've taken off the injector wiring. Now we've got to take off the intake manifold and everything else so we can get the head off and assess the damage. So we've got to try and drop the coolant out of here. There's a little white. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, it's tight. Oh. Oh, I can't even move it. I'll try and get it from this side. Oh, there we go. Hopefully don't make too much of a mess. Oh. Okay, it's water. It's not actually coolant. Oh, that worked. Oh, it's going everywhere. There we go. While that drains, I'll probably go and have some lunch. So I've got to the point now where I'm going to take the rocker cover off. Use the big tool. Proper man tool, this one. Oh yeah. Now me, I've probably forgot a bolt somewhere. Oh. So I might have it loose enough now to climb up in here and... Oh, she's tight. trim, it's got to come up square. Oh, I see. Don't want to bust the injectors, but I'm nearly there. Oh, that didn't sound good. Oh, there we go. Oh, fuck. Ooh, maybe I have to pull these seals out. That might have been the idea, I reckon. Right, I know for next time. So guys, you got to remember, I'm no mechanic. Look, I've ruined the seals. Oh, it's going to get new ones anyway, but I know that for next time, eh? I'm no mechanic, I'm a dairy farmer by trade, so... Oh, rightio. I have no idea what I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm about to pull the injectors out, got them all loose, and be able to see what sort of damage. I wonder if there's any damage on the end of any of these. Let's have a look. Pretty sooty. It's got like a bit of junk on it. Number 2. Number 3. I wonder if we'll be able to tell which cylinder's the damaged one. We'll give these a wipe and we'll see how they look. Number 4 here. That seal there, when it's been put in, it's damaged. It's probably going to be hard to tell. If there's like any damage on the end of them, there's nothing on that. That one's fine. The seal's okay. Bits of metal on that one. Ah, might be number 2. I need a bore scope. That'd be good. Add a bore scope. Fresh part of the rag. It looks alright. So they all look alright. So there's number 4 with that dodgy seal there. That's been damage when it's been put in by the looks of that. So you slide it down, that's... Yeah. But the end of that looks fine. I mean, they all look pretty good at the ends, so it'll be interesting to see which one it is, because there was a little bit of metal on 2, so I'm guessing that cylinder 2 is the one with the damaged piston. Might be to get a light down there and have a bit of a look. So we're getting there with it. Got a lot of the things off now. Just got a few more things to take off over this side. And we should be away. Check out this EGR. Where the EGR bloody blocking up the intake. A few bit of shit in there. It's done 300,000, but wouldn't know if it's had a clean or not. But that's pretty bad, that. Yeah, so have another bloody... Oh, there goes the light. Oh no, I think I broke it. There we go. We'll have another go at pulling some more crap off around here, and we should have the head off very soon. Oh, so after all that buggerising around, I've got the head ready to come off. I haven't seen anything yet. I'm going to get up here, lift it off, and hopefully I can, because it's bloody heavy. But we'll have a crack. Right. Oh my goodness. Right. Oh, if I can get out of here. That was heavy. Right. Now, it's bloody light. Now's the moment of truth, guys. I'm actually really excited. I don't know if you can tell. I'm actually excited to see what the go is. All right, what's going on with my GoPro? Oh, there we go. See if I was right. There's, looks like a crack in piston 3, to be honest with you. It's hard to tell. Oh no. I might crank the motor over, bring those 2 middle ones up, because these ones look... Oh! These ones look fine. Crank the motor over and see what the go is there. Can't really tell, I'll have to give them a clean, I reckon. So, here we go guys, number 3. Number 3. Look at that, it's got a crack in it. Sort of goes, oh, it goes all the way through until just under there somewhere. I don't think it follows through up there. And I'll tell you what, the bore looks actually really good. Like it's still cross-hatching, there's no scoring in it. So I reckon, I mean, I'm no mechanic, but I reckon we get away with a hone, like a flex hone in the bore. Each of the bores, all new pistons, like a full rebuild kit for the engine. Pistons, rings, bearings, gaskets, the whole lot. Overhaul the whole lot, but we'll get away without having to machine the block. The other question is the head now. We'll flip the head over, take that outside so it doesn't make a mess in the shed. And we'll put it up on its side and have a look. See what the go is there. Like all the other cylinders look fine, it's just number 3. Well, I don't know if it's number 3, but 3rd from the front, so. 3rd from the front, it's cracked. Actually, I'm going to look at that injector again. See if there's any signs on there. Oh, far out. 3. Well, it is blacker than the rest, so it's obviously been putting a heap more diesel in. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. It's blacker than these ones. There's not much difference, like it's hard to tell. So I just flipped the head over and the head looks pretty good. It's a mess, but there's no like pitting on it or anything. I'll get my brother to look over all this and we'll come up with what we need to do, a bit of a plan. And yeah, I'm actually pretty stoked to see there's no damage to the block. Like it's only a small crack and there's a bit of a hole. So might be able to get away with just chucking a rebuild kit in it without going to the machine shop and going to, still gonna need a new pump or refurbished pump, refurbish the injectors, flush all the fuel system. I'm going to do timing belt, I'm going to do the water pump, idlers, belts, everything sort of along them lines. Glow plug, I'll check the turbo, see if that's alright. Go through and just give it a good once over. And like really it should serve me well if I look after it, you know, do my regular servicing and keep an eye on the injectors. She's going to be a good bus. Pretty good for $6 grand. Like I think HD Automotive on the mainland do a rebuild kit for these and it's $1,900 I think, so a bit of postage to Tassie it might be $2,300 I think. So it's not too bad. And a bit of mine and my brother's time, we'll have this thing going. So injectors and pump, probably looking at a couple of grand getting them done, but still going to be $11,000 Hilux maybe, if we're lucky. So it's a pretty good buy. Still a pretty good buy. But yeah, I've had enough for today. I reckon that's me done. I'll pack up here and bloody have a shower. Filthy. Absolutely filthy. It's good fun. I actually quite enjoy this. I wouldn't do it as a job. I like it doing it as a hobby. So it's real good as a hobby. To my own stuff, I don't mind it. Oh, nothing beats a dare. Nothing beats a dare. Oh, hits the spot. Oh, Oh, Dare should sponsor me, I reckon. Alright guys, I'll catch you on the next video. Fucker out.